Okay, so I'm inside and I've just ripped out like stuff I can just pull up with my hand. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my circular saw and set it very shallow, and just go around the edge the best I can and start cutting this out, and we'll see what I come up with. It's just such a small area that I don't know where I could set up my phone to where, you know, it would look good, but I'm just going to take my circular saw, you know, and just go around the edges, or just start cutting a little section at a time, see what happens. Just going to take it slow and steady and see what the approach is. But yeah, I mean, there's no way that, I just can't see that. I think this trailer's been leaking ever since we pulled it off the lot. We've had it for 4 years. I just can't see. I don't know. This is just crazy to me. It's insane. But yeah, got to get to it. Just gonna keep hoping Jesus gets me through it and keep talking to him, and just hope Jesus gives me patience here to do this. But that's where we are, ripping out rotten flooring.